Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did this really easy chained stamping design on my toenails. So I'm going to start off with a coat of black polish on the nails. Now the image plate I'm using is this one. I was sent this by bornprettystore. There's a 10% off code down below as well as the link obviously to this plate. So for the small toes, there's obviously not very much we can do with them, but if you see this thin link that's going round here, I'm going to take this part and just stamp it down the centre point of the small nails. So now for the larger toenail, we're going to use this image here and just place it, as you can see, coming down from the cuticle. That's it for this really easy toenail art design. All you've got to do now is clean up around the edges and then apply your top coat. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.